This right here, y'all could have that.
Big boys put me in that Rari, took me out to a party, got me lit up Bacardi, but I know he ain't no good for me.
Here and yeah, we're just waiting for so long.
We've been waiting since 10 o'clock and it's now
almost 1, right?
Almost 1, but they're almost here.
Yeah,
almost here.
So
we're
we
making
just
progress.
We're waiting for more girls to come. We're so excited. Like, can't wait.
No, I can't.
One of the girls said it's gonna be like Bad Girls Club. We're gonna run into the rooms. We're gonna run to the rooms and see who's gonna get which room.
Oh my gosh, I was wondering how that was gonna happen. I guess I've been sleeping on the couch. Yeah. I'm not about to trample anybody.
Me too. I could sleep in the living room, but I want a nice room if I do get a room. But alright guys, I will see you guys when everybody else get here.
Yep, see you in a little bit.
We're just waiting. Sis just gave me a little shot. We got some Jim Beam. We should be taking this together.
I come prepared. I got a bag full of it. If anybody else wants it,
yes,
I got you.
And she got the GoPro, y'all. Look at this. That's so lit.
Priorities, priorities.
It's breaking out, y'all.
Cheers!
Oh my god.
We'll save half of that for later.
I took it like it was juice.
You're gonna drink it all? Oh, my chest.
You know when you didn't eat?
Yes, you feel.
I thought it was water.
Oh, no, that's not what I thought. When I don't eat, I feel like I'm feeling it from here. Now it's right here. It's almost getting to the skin of my stomach.
No, but I
Not
threw
yet.
it like it was water. I don't never drink liquor like that. We getting lit nice and early. It's litty.
Okay, look, this is the only one I brought. Yes, I should have. We on vacation.
Alright guys,
Don't look at us, alright?
Ooh, I was about to do it with my mask on. So you guys, these are the things that we're doing. She says zip lining is not scary, but it's scary because when you first get off this cliff, you're like going a little fast, but once you see the view, it's so beautiful. I want to do this right here.
Well, really, those are fun. Then you could do like 2 people, or I think sometimes 4 people.
Yeah, I want to do this.
Cool.
I could do this. I could see myself doing that. And then we got the cave right here. She said the cave is so beautiful.
I think it's just so fascinating because you're like in a cave. It's like something that was created naturally. The water's so clear. Some of it is fresh water where it's not salty. It's just like clean, fresh water. Like I love caves and waterfalls.
This will be my first cave. How many caves have you been to? Like a few?
I've been to several, but I think here in Mexico was the only one that I went to that was just like just beautiful, just like this, like light, like water.
I can't wait. The water look clear. I can't. This I can't do. This right here, y'all could have that. Like, I look a fucking mess. If it ain't Miss Bright. How y'all didn't see us? You on Candy camera? Say hi to the vlog. I know you're tired. I love this. Okay.
I love it. The guys said all the new places are down this way.
Wow, wow, wow. How y'all pass me? How you pass me, Edwina?
I don't know. Where were you standing at? How bad? You guys didn't
Well, hi. You guys are safe?
No. My phone's not working.
I'm about to do the famous TikTok.
Yes, I can.
But more girls is coming, y'all.
Hey.
Hey. So y'all gonna allow that? But I can't do mine? Wow.
Wait, what you wanted to do?
I'm gonna show you what we do this. They said we do this. So I said, I'm
What are we doing? Oh, no.
But it's not all of that.
So they said,
Look, we can do this. It's just a snap. It's just one snap.
No, Charity, what do you think? I'll take
The TikTok is one snap.
Like nothing.
So you guys, we are still at the airport. The airport had a lot of fancy little restaurants that you can sit and drink, have mimosas. We waited for the other girls and we had some guacamole and mimosas, and I'm going to show you guys in a few. We had our own little shot bottles where we threw inside of the mimosas to make it a little more fun, and we just chat and enjoyed it. There go the guacamole station, and the lady is about to make the best guacamole dip I've ever tried before. It was made from scratch, it was super fresh, and it was so delicious. Yo. There's a room downstairs that look mad nice, and it got like its own view. Yo, it's better than these, okay? It's better than these. And I already put my stuff in there. This one? Oh, so let's get this one. Oh, there's a bathroom in each room.
It's 5, oh, these only 5 rooms and 10 people. Everybody got 2 people. Right.
Oh yeah, we can't take the one downstairs.
7 beds. 5 rooms and 7 beds. So there's 4 here.
Oh, we could take this one. I'm about to leave my stuff right here. Who's taking this room? I could take this. Alright, so I want this one. I want this one. Okay, so I want this one. I want that one. It don't matter what I get.
Whether it's 1 bed or 2 beds, there's 2 people.
Oh, that's the difference. We ain't got no balcony.
But you would get 1 over yourself.
Why would they not put a balcony in every room?
It's 2 or 4.
Is this like an outside shower?
She wants to go with directions.
There's only 2 rooms with balconies. That's right.
There's 4 per 2 room. That's not true.
They
There's 4.
could.
Right. Or they could be 2 per room.
Exactly.
So, okay, well, I'm just going to explain you a couple of things that you need to know about the house, the neighborhood, Tulum in general, just so you know, like more or less. And then I'm going to leave you so you can enjoy, jump to the pool, fight for your rooms, like you can do. Okay?
On our own time, right?
Okay.
Now your time.
So the first thing, as you noted, you have security at the entrance.
Yeah.
So they are really strict with that.
So you guys, after she explained the house, this Airbnb is so beautiful. Like, I cannot believe it. It is breathtaking. I will leave the link to this Airbnb down below so that you guys can go visit there if you do decide to go to Tulum. I promise you, you won't regret it. There goes me, and we all change into some bathing suits and comfortable wears so that we can hang out for tonight. You guys, we had marble floors. We had glass everywhere. There was a stairs in the middle, okay? The stairs alone was just aesthetics. And each room was beautiful view. We had palm trees everywhere, and we had a jacuzzi and a big old pool. You guys, they design and decorate for us. We're just gonna hang out and let's have some fun.
Twins.
They love saying twins. I look tired. Oh my god, I need some
That's because she
lashes.
said that to you. That's why I can't speak.
No, but I was already tired because I've been flying since last night. But we outside. She keeps saying y'all that outside. Everybody else in the pool.
They look alike.
Everybody else in the pool, y'all. We about to get in there, but we was hooking up the hookah. So we got some hookah. Oh, I was about to smoke it. Okay, okay. Birthday girl. It's cold?
Not cold, sorry. The boat. Straight from Mexico. Hey! I gotta do that over. Okay, hold on.
Oh, I forgot to tag you, but I quickly posted.
Hold on. Wait, you posted? Oh my god, you ready? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm trying to die tonight.
Y'all, we about to do some shots real quick.
You open this?
This is how you open it.
Oh shit.
Let them know that.
Oh shit. Let them know. What?
And then you pop it open.
Crazy.
Okay. You just gotta break it with your nail or peel it.
It's your fucking birthday. They went for
You guys, we had to get out the pool because we're hearing animal noises. Yes, I was eating some strawberries in case I got any strawberry seeds in my teeth, but we're hearing animal noises. Oh my god, I'm gonna try to let you hear it. Do y'all see it? I want to see it.
Yeah, it moved.
Let me see. You see the frog move?
We saw it move.
Let me go this way. I'm gonna show y'all the frog. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. Everybody ran out the pool. Look, it's over there. We're calling it a night. We're just grabbing everything from the pool because the frog ruined it for us, guys. Do y'all hear that? I know you hear the splashes because we have like a little waterfall right there. But somewhere in those bushes, there's a frog, they said. Let me get out of the stand because I don't want the frog to come over here and think he can mess with me. It's like only 12:15, guys. I can't believe we're calling it a night at 12:15. But we do have to be up at 5 a.m. so it's better that way anyways, that everyone just call it a night. Shower and then just go to sleep and wake up for tomorrow. Look at the decoration the Airbnb people did for us. It's so cute. Okay. It is so beautiful. Like, this is goals. But anyways, guys, I'm about to eat my pasta. I don't know if I should show you guys that. And then we're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna shower, and we have so much more beautiful things coming your way. So just watch the next vlog and you will see. It's just a lot, so that's why I decided to do vlogs every day. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I do travel and I would like you to come with me. Even if it's state to state, I want you to come with me and turn up with me. Alright, so yeah. Like, this Airbnb I will recommend, and I will leave in the description box the link to this Airbnb in case you want to stay here. It's beyond me. There are 5 rooms. Each room has 2 people. It's 10 of us, and we are living. We are definitely living. It's the best thing. No regrets so far, even though it's our first day. And yeah, it's just the aesthetics for me, guys. And I know at this point I'm rambling, but I hope you subscribe. But did you subscribe? Sis, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let me know what you think in the comments down below because we got marble floors.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let me stop. I'm acting like I never had nothing before. But yeah, see you guys later.